Yeah, the next thing which we'll be doing is creating or exploring the SQL Server management tools. So this is the UI of SQL management tools. So we can click on connect database engine. So this will be the default server name or whatever the server instance you have installed. And if you just click on connect, well, server will be connected and you can just see what are all the databases which I have already created. In my case, I had already created e-commerce app and fintech team. This is all um, the UI of server SQL Server Management Studio looks like. In the following sections, we will be seeing how we can connect this database from the MVC project which we have created. Thank you.